Hi student, welcome back to nice mathematical number problem. In this problem, we have simplified this 9 divided by 4 into the power of 9 divided by 4. This solution is very complex and very important for Olympiad math exams. So, first we know that 9 is also equal to 3 square, 4 is equal to 2 square. So, a into power n divided by b into power n is equal to a divided by b whole into power n. This is our first formula to use in this question. Now, this will be 3 square divided by 2 square into 9 divided by 4. So, in next this will be 3 divided by 2. After applying this formula, 2 into whole into power 9 divided by 4. This 4 cut by this 2 remain 2, and now we are using this Olympiad algebraic formula into power m whole into power n is equal to a into power m into n. In next, this will be 3 divided by 2 into the power of 2, and this divided by 9. So, as we know that 9 is equal to 8 plus 1, and this will be 3 divided by 2 into 8 plus 1 divided by 2. And now we use this formula: a plus b divided by c is equal to a divided by c plus b divided by c. So 3 divided by 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So and next this will be 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 1 divided by 2, and this will be a into m plus n is equal to a into m into a into power n. So this 3 into power divided by 2 whole into power 4 into 3 divided by 2 into power 1 divided by 2. So in next step, we are using this formula: a divided by b whole into power n is equal to a into power n divided by b into power n. We use this formula: 3 into power 4 divided by 2 into power 4 into 3 into power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 into power 1 divided by 2. So after this, as we know that 3 into power 4 is also equal to 3 into 3 to 3 into 3 is also equal to 81, and 2 into power now this will be 81, this divided by 16 into 3 into 1 divided by 2 also equal to under root of 3 divided by under root of 2. This is, sorry, 2 into 1 divided by 2. This will be under root 2. Now 81 divided by 16 into under root of 3 divided by under root of 2. This multiply by multiply by under root of 2 divided by under root of 2. So this under root of a into under root of b is equal to under root of a b. Now this will be 81 divided by 61, sorry 16 into under root of 3 into 2 divided by under root of 2 into 2. After this, 81 into under root of 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 divided by 16 into under root of 4. So this will be 81 divided by 81 into under root of 6 81 into under root 6 divided by 16 into under root of 4 is also equal to 2, and 16 into 2 is also 32. 81 into under root 6 divided by 32. This is our final simplification answer of nice tricky math problem. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, write in comment box.